Good morning, everyone, and welcome to today's presentation. In this video, we are diving into an incredibly useful automation topic today, the scheduled reminder flow. This session is proudly presented by RPA Unicorn, where we focus on leveraging smart automation to streamline your daily workflows and ensure nothing important ever slips through the cracks. Over the next few minutes, we will explore how this specific flow operates, the efficiency it brings to your routine, and how you can get it up and running. If you have any questions along the way or want to reach out to us afterward, please note our contact email listed right there on the slide. connect@rpaunicorn.com. Let's get started. Let's talk about the specific business challenges that many organizations face before implementing automation. First, manually checking task statuses every single day is incredibly time-consuming and inconsistent, especially as teams grow larger. Because of this manual overhead, team members often forget to update their task statuses in the SharePoint list, which directly leads to inaccurate progress tracking and reporting. Furthermore, having to manually send individual reminders to everyone about their pending tasks is highly inefficient and prone to delays. Ultimately, this lack of automation severely reduces visibility into which tasks haven't even been started yet, making it much harder for managers to balance and manage workloads effectively. To address all of those operational bottlenecks, we've built an automated workflow that runs completely on its own every day at 10:00 a.m., ensuring consistent monitoring without requiring any manual effort. The flow automatically fetches the latest task data directly from your SharePoint list, so you can rest assured that the information is completely up to date every single time it executes. It then evaluates the data using a simple condition to pinpoint exactly which tasks are still marked as not started. When it identifies a not started task, the system immediately fires off a personalized reminder message via Microsoft Teams directly to the assigned individual. Ultimately, this bot-based reminder system drastically reduces the need for manual follow-up, accelerates overall task management, and proactively helps team members stay on track with their responsibilities. Let's look at the actual architecture flowchart behind this process and see how it works from start to finish. The process initiates with a recurrence trigger configured to run automatically at 10 a.m. every day. Once triggered, the first action block is to get items from SharePoint list, retrieving all the relevant task records. The system then enters a loop, looping each value of the list to evaluate them one by one. This brings us to our decision diamond, checking status if status is equal to not started. If the status is any other value, the logic paths to no and the execution hits an end block for that item. However, if the condition evaluates to yes, it moves forward to send a message on Teams that you have not started your task to ping the owner before successfully reaching the final end step of the process. Finally, let's look at the impressive result of implementing this automation. First and foremost, we see a massive time saving because the automation completely slashes the manual effort needed to check and follow up on task statuses. What used to take hours is now done automatically in minutes every single morning. We also achieve increased accuracy since the bot reads task statuses directly from the SharePoint list and sends reminders only for not started items. There is zero risk of missing updates or messaging the wrong person. This leads to a better use of team resources, meaning teams no longer have to chase updates and human efforts can shift to higher priority work such as planning, coordination, or resolving roadblocks. Additionally, it ensures timely task management, where daily Teams reminders automatically go out to the right people so pending tasks are caught early and actioned faster, boosting overall team accountability.
In this flow, we've set a daily recurrence trigger that runs at 10 a.m. It then connects to a SharePoint list to fetch all the items automatically. Now we're looping through each item from the SharePoint list and checking if the task status is not started. If it is, a Teams message is automatically sent to the assigned person, reminding them to take action. So Flow will go through this SharePoint list and checks the status of every person. If the status is not started, then Flow will send this message to the assigned user on Teams.
I want to say a huge thank you to everyone for your time, attention, and engagement today. This session was proudly presented by RPA Unicorn, and we hope it gave you valuable insights into how simple automation flows can eliminate manual bottlenecks and transform your day productivity.